Hello everyone and welcome back to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Introductory course. In this lecture, we will see the different user interface components of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In previous lecture, we have seen how data is organized and displayed in Business Central with the help of pages. Let us now understand in this lecture what these different pages are made up of and the different user interface components in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So as we have seen in last lecture that Role Center page is your starting point in your Business Central solution. Different roles will have different Role Center pages. They are optimized and tuned for that specific role. They will have different security rights resulting in different access to the specific actions. Role Center page reflects these differences in needs and access. So every Role Center page is built or designed out of the same components. So let us now see what are those components. So this is how a typical Role Center page for a business manager looks like. It has a app bar on top which contains a search icon, feedback icon, comments icon, settings, a question mark. You can find a relevant help if you want any, and the logged in user information. And below app bar you will find navigation bar which comprised of different navigation menus, and these navigation menus will be keeps on changing depending on the different roles in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Beneath the navigation menu you will find the list places, and just beneath the navigation bar you will have an headlines area where the specific relevant informations will be published, and just besides your headlines area you will find an actions area which contains specific list of actions for that specific role, and below the headlines area you will find a different information are displayed with the help of queues, and you can select different layouts for queues. You can display the information in queues with the help of wide or standard layouts. So these are the different components of a role center page, and every role center page are made up of exact same components. So this is an example of a business manager role center page, but if you change it to accountant role center page, you will find the differences in the navigation bar and the actions area, but overall the components will be the same for every role center page. Let us now see what are list pages made up of. List pages publishes multiple records on one page. So let us now see what are the different components of a list page. So this list page is of a customers type where it will have both app bar and navigation bar, and along with the app bar and navigation bar you will also have a command bar. In the command bar you will find different actions that you can perform on the selected master data. You can search, you can create a new customer, you can delete it, you can run a report. Depending on the different types of list page, the action menus might be changing, and the content of list pages will be displayed in the contents area. Besides the content area you will find the fact box pane which will display detailed statistic of a selected record in that list. In this case this fact box pane is displaying data related to the selected customer number 1. If you change the selection, then the data in the fact box pane will also be changed specific to that particular selected item. Let me now show you what a card page is comprised of. Card page publishes a single record on one page. The content of card page is organized in fast tabs, and the right hand side of fast tabs you will find a promoted fields. So let us now see what card page is comprised of. This is a card page of a customer. On the top you will have a command bar which will contain different action menus you can perform on the selected customer. The information of card page are displayed in form of fast tabs. Right now you can see there are 6 fast tabs, that is general, address and contact, invoicing, payments, shipping and statistics. These tabs are right now in collapse mode, and at the right side of the fast tab you will find a promoted field which displayed key fields and the key information that you want to display without opening or expanding your fast tab. For example, here the name of the customer is displayed in the general tab. So similarly you can add more fields to the promoted fields area. Let us now see this in action. So now you can see a card page for the selected customer is open. This is the command bar. It contains different action items. You can create sales quote, sales invoices, sales order, sales credit memo, or the reminder, or you can request for approval, send approval request, cancel approval request, and you can perform many such actions right from the command bar. And the information related to this customer are displayed in form of fast tab. Right now all the fast tabs are collapsed. These are the promoted field. So if you click on the fast tab, it will expand and display all the information that is present in the tabs. Similarly, you can expand other tabs as well. So this is how a typical card page is comprised of. Having said that, I will end this lecture here, and in next lecture we will see how you can search pages and reports in Dynamics 365 Business Central. I hope to see you all in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.